Okay, today we're gonna make quick stuffed potatoes.
1 cup of cheese, Mexican style blend. 1 cup of cheese, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And then mix it.
This mixing takes a little bit of time, but once you start mixing, it all of a sudden comes together.
Kind of like a bowl.
When it's juicy, then you know it's ready. Okay, to make the baked potato, you put them in the microwave oven and about 5 minutes for 2 potatoes. And they'll be hot. Be careful. Mash it up a little bit. Any kind of ham you have, or any kind of
chicken or ham, or and
chicken, turkey, and some of the onions.
half cup onion, green onion.
This is for 2. Oh, for 1. This is the cheese that you mix the mayonnaise. By now it's kind of sticky, all stick together. And it's juicy. Looks good already. Okay, put it in the toaster oven. First, put it on foil. Tuck the foil in around the edges a little bit loosely. And about 7 minutes or until golden brown. The cheese melts and is golden brown. And that's it. Put it in the toaster oven, set on broil for roughly 10 minutes, but you really want to get a golden brown and cheese melted on top.